Hi everybody, and welcome back to Nowadays with Andy. We are going to take about a 5-minute ride through the Ocean View neighborhood of Santa Cruz, California. My neighborhood, starting with this very interesting little shack. This little home here bordering on Ocean View Park. I was quite intrigued with that roof, and that eucalyptus tree gives a hint as to just how high up on the bluff that house is. Here are some of the fine craftsman-built homes nearby there. Of course, my little hovel is about the size of one of these homes. Doghouse or guest doghouse, maybe even. Here's the lovely Ocean View Park. Overlooking the boardwalk and Monterey Bay in the distance, which I didn't get for you because we're driving around in Sheila's Toyota Corolla. There's a redwood tree, or at least the trunk of it. And it's a very colorful day today in this late February day. Some of the southwestern architecture seen here, oddly, on the central coast of California. Here's a biggie. Look at that. I love that craftsman style. Nice glass on that one. Bordering on just sort of a little bungalow neighborhood. But over here is where the action is. Look at these houses. Another redwood tree right in the front yard. How cool would that be? Years of storms have sadly taken down a lot of the big trees in these neighborhoods. How about that for a wraparound porch? Trees. Very nice. This I was intrigued by. I like the detail on the upper part of the roof. Here's a colorful one. Oops, sorry, I don't mean to pry. And another cute little bungalow next door. I wonder what the price comparison is between the little guy there, the moderate one next door, the little southwestern thing here, and then look at this big bad boy. There's a modest one. As we head out onto Broadway, another big old 20s style home.